Are you ready for the computer class, beta? Class 3 Oak, are you ready? Are you ready, beta? I hope you are ready. So you all please take out your computer notebook. You know that previous class we have completed chapter number 4, Microsoft Word 2010 book exercise short question answer completed, right? And today we will solve the question answer. Okay, so today we will solve the question answer. Okay, beta. So let's start now. You all please. Okay, good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Daksha, are you ready? You all please take out your computer notebook. Previous class we have completed of chapter number 4, fill in the blanks, tick the correct answer, true, false and matching. Till matching it's completed. Am I correct, beta? Yes, okay. And today we will start the question answer, very short answer type questions. So today first we will write chapter number 4. You all please take out your notebook and you all please mute your microphone, beta. Mute your microphone, otherwise you cannot listen my voice. Okay, let's start now chapter number 4, Microsoft Word 2010. First we will write very short answer type questions. Okay, very short answer type questions. Okay, let's start now. Please mute your microphone, all of you. Question number 1. First write down question number 1. First write down the question, then answer. Okay. Which key is used to type? Which key is used to type all capital letters? Which key is used to type all capital letter? All capital letter. Which key is used to type all capital letter? Do you know the answer? Yes, very good, Daksha. Reply me. Others also. Caps lock key. Write down the answer. Caps lock key. C should be in capital letter. Caps lock key. Next, number 2. Question number 2. By using which keyboard shortcut can we reverse the action of undo? Next question. By using which keyboard shortcut key shortcut can we reverse the action of undo? Which key? Which keyboard shortcut key, beta? Do you know? Answer me. Previous answer. Okay, caps lock key. Norin and Shauri, Orindam. Okay, and Daksha. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Answer. Reply me, beta. By using which keyboard shortcut can we reverse the action of undo? Redo. But which shortcut key? Redo, it's a option. It's a not shortcut key of the keyboard. No redo key is present in the keyboard. Shortcut key, type Control plus Y. Redo, obviously redo shortcut key. Here the question is by using which keyboard shortcut? Keyboard shortcut is Control plus Y. Control plus Y. Write down the answer, all of you. Control plus Y. CTRL plus Y. This is a shortcut key of the keyboard. CTRL plus Y, and this is a shortcut of redo option. Okay, this is a shortcut of redo option. Yes, beta. Now you cannot see the board. Now you can see the board. Okay, that means I cannot write. Okay, wait. Now you can see?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now I have to rub the board, beta. Question number 1 is completed or not? I hope 1 completed, right? I am just dictating once more. Which key, number 1, which key is used to type all capital letters? This is the question. It is in your book also. Answer is caps lock key. Next question, question number 2. By using which keyboard shortcut can we reverse the action of undo? This is Control Y. CTRL plus Y. Control Y is used to keyboard. Okay. The next question, question number 3. Can you see the board from, can you see this place? I hope you can. Write the keyboard shortcut. Write the keyboard shortcut. Write the keyboard shortcut used to save a Word document. Used to save a Word Tell me the answer, beta. Write the keyboard shortcut used to save a Word document. Keyboard shortcut is Control plus S. Very good. Daksha, Control plus X. CTRL plus S. This is the keyboard shortcut. Control plus S. Done, everybody? Can I rub the board? Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4. What does a title bar contain? Question number 4. What does a title bar contain? What does a title bar contain? What does our title bar contain? Write down the answer. Quick access toolbar, title, window control button. Okay, quick access toolbar, it is that it present in the title bar. Quick access toolbar, and write down. quick access toolbar. In the title bar we can see quick access toolbar, and another one is minimize, maximize and close button. It is on the right side. That is called window control button. Obviously in the middle there is a title bar. We can write the title, no need to write this one. What does a title bar contain? In the title bar left side we can see the quick access toolbar and window control button. Window control control button means minimize, maximize, close. These are called window control button. Okay. Have you done this? Can I wrap question number 2 and 3, beta? Can I wrap question number? Okay, fine. Now we will start. That short answer type questions. Okay, short answer type questions. Very short answer type question completed. Now we will write short answer type questions. Question number 1. First write down question number 1. Okay. List the steps to exit a document. List the steps to exit a document. You have to write down the steps when you exit, if you want to exit a document. Okay. If you want to exit from a document, you can go to the, if you want to exit from a document, there is a different way. You can click on the file tab. Under of the file tab there is a exit button. Okay. Write down the steps. Click on the file tab. First step, first click on the file tab. In under of the file tab there is a exit button. Select, then next step select the exit button. The exit button. Select the exit button. And you can also exit by MS Word by clicking the close button on the title bar. In the title bar there is a close button. You can click the close button. Here is one thing is there, click the file tab. In under of the file tab there is a exit button. You just click on the exit button. If you have saved, if you have not saved, one message will, if you have not saved, okay, no need to write this part, leave it. If I am just telling to you, when you click the exit option, select the exit option, then one message will show if you have not saved before it. Okay, if you have not saved the changes, in a document before existing, what reminds you to save it. Then one message will show, the machine will reminds you, do you want to save the changes? Then if you say the yes, then it will save and exit. Okay, done beta? Or another way, by MS Word, by clicking the close button on the title bar. Title bar close button, if you press, you can exit from our document. Next question. Next question. Can I rub the board? If I write it down, you cannot see the board clearly. Okay. So, question number 2. Question number 2. Write the steps to open a file. I hope this part completed. Write the steps to open a file. First write down, if you want to open a file, click on the file tab. Write down the answer. Click first step, click on the file tab. First click on the file tab, then select the open option from the menu. Select the open option. Select the open option. Then locate where your file is located. That one you have to double click. Locate the file by double clicking on the folder. By double clicking on the folders. Then fourth step, select the file by clicking on it. Then select which file you want to open. Then you have to select the file. Select the file by clicking. Select the file by clicking. And then last step, click open. And then click open option. You can open a click option, or you can just double click on the file, or click, you can write just click open. And do you know the shortcut key to open a file? Ctrl+O. Okay. Daniel, it is your favorite subject. Okay, fine, very good. Very good, beta. Have you completed question number 2? I have no time. I have another class, beta. So I have to complete. I have to close your class. Now I have class in 3 Pine. So next class I will discuss how can we save a file and how can you select a line and think and do. Whatever questions have next class I will discuss. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay. Bye beta. Bye all of you.